Okay, I was bored playing Hitman Absolution, and that's the mission Operation Hammer or Operation Sledgehammer. Yeah, and there's that side quest, I'm gonna show you. That one, where you have to engage every officer in this police station with your fists. So you have to knock them all down in direct combat. It's a bit problematic, and for those of you who don't know how to deal with that, there's an easy way. Of course, you sit in the chair at first, the fire alarm thing to get out of the cell. That's yeah, the first way. When he opens the door, knock him down. Then the second one will be located here. Knock him down and drag him into the room where you knocked down the first one. The first one should be dragged there too as well. And then you got this nice little gun. Always stand here, aim along the hallway, fire a shot, take cover, and wait for a good opportunity. And when you have your opportunity, run up, engage the police, drag him down, and continue. After a while, the policemen won't appear anymore by themselves. If you can see this white little thing, that's one of the civilians working there, and he is alarming policemen when you shoot from here. You have to stand here, just aim somewhere, shoot, and then you'll be fine. After a while, the mission will be said that it is accomplished. And yeah, that's the way how to deal with it. We got a lot of people here. Yay. That looks like a gay party here. Oh well. Dead. You don't have to do that, but that is just pure boredom. You too. You too. You get some too. Oh, look there. We got everyone. Just to make sure. Yeah, we got those. That one. Yeah, we got them here as well. Yep. I think we got them all. See someone laying down there. Nah, we got them all. Alright, that's my short video, and I hope it helps you. See you again soon.